Good morning student. Today we are going to recall the symbols in this video. First of all we should see A ki matra. So A letter has no symbol. So only letter B is bus. K L ish kalash. Ma T ir matar. A ij G ir ajgar. A ki matra. For A symbol, the symbol is long line. Ka ir car, tha la thala. Can you read? Ma la mala, ba the il badal. Please recall with me. E ki matra. The E symbol is, you should raise left side of the letter. You should raise a horn. Ki sa in kisan. Chi di ya chidiya. Si ta ir sitar. Da ki ya dakiya. Next E symbol. The E symbol you should raise on right side of the letter. C T C T C D C D. Da li dali. I idli idli. So the next symbol is U ki matra. So symbol is like this. So pu il pull. Gu la ib gulab. Ku ir si kursi. Ka chu a kachua. Next to U ki matra, the symbol is like this. So it will come below the letter, down of the letter. Pu il pool. Chuha chuha. Suraj suraj. Kabutar kabutar. Then the Ru ki matra, Ru symbol. The symbol is like C. Nr ip nrup. Vruksha vruksha. Mru ig mrug. Vrusha ib vrushab. So next symbol is A symbol. A ki matra. So A ki matra, there is a horn on the letter like this. So this is Sa letter. So it's plus A. Se ib seb. Khe la khela. Jalebi jalebi. Re il ga di rail gadi. So there are 4 letters. So second letter is Il, not La. Rail gadi. So next symbol is I symbol. So I symbol, there will be 2 horn on the letter like this. Thai la thaila. Paisa paisa. Sai ni ik sainik. Can you remember the letter? Kai ra kaimra. Next symbol O symbol. O ki matra. O ki matra, there will be 1 line nearby the letter and 1 horn. To ta totha. Dhobi dhobi. Ghoda ghoda. Bothil bothal. So next symbol is Au symbol. Au ki matra. Au ki matra, there will be 1 line nearby the letter, then 2 horn will be there. So paudha paudha. Lauki, lauki, lauki means bottle guard. Khaua, khaua. Khilauना, खिलौना. So next symbol, symbol, की मात्रा. So की मात्रा, there will be a dot on the letter. But when you have dot separately on letters, the sound is hung. But when the same dot comes on the word, the sound will be different sound. There will be different sound in each and every word. Let's see that one. When you have dot on the word, the next letter is in first line, so dot sound is ing, because the first line last letter is nya. So when you change the letter into consonants, the dot sound, ki matra, the sound is consonant sound only. That means ik, ing each only. So the sound will be ing. The next letter is in first line. So the dot sound is ing. So pa, ing, kha, pankha. Sh, ing, ik, shank. The dot they kept wrong in this place. So dot sound, dot is on the tha letter. So next letter is ga. So that is in first line. So dot sound is ing. Pa, tha, ing, ig, patang. So next one, jha. The next letter is da. Da line is third line. So last letter is na. So the dot sound is in. Jha, in, da, jhanda. So in this place, the dot, after the dot, the fourth line letter is coming. Third line. Tha, tha, dha, dha, na. So the last letter is na. So that sound is in. Ba, in, dha, ir, bandhar. Here the next, after the dot, the next letter is ga. That is first line. The first line means ing. Pa, la, ing, ig, palang. The first letter, next dot. Okay. Next, so this symbol is called Chandra Bindu, just like a moon and dot. So for this letter also, you should pronounce like dot letter, dot word. For example, the symbol is here, the next letter ga. So next letter ga means the sound is ing only. A, ing, ghu, thi, anguthi. When you have no symbol, no next letter, so that time you should, when you pronounce the letter, a letter, here the symbol is on a letter, so you should release your air through nose. Ku, kuan. Let's see in the next video also. I will explain separately for this symbol. So just you understand now. Cha, the symbol is there. So you should pronounce cha. You should release your air through nose. Cha. Then in sound. Because the next letter is the. So the sound is in. Chand. The next word. Bha. The symbol is there, so bansuri. Next one, sa, the symbol is there, so sam, ip, samp. The sound is im, samp, because next letter is in fifth line. Dhan, it, dhant. The next letter is ta, so dot sound is, this symbol sound is in. As well as you should release your air through nose. Dhan, it, dhant. Please recall these all symbols, read the words and learn pictures name also.